Hi, I'm Tony, and today we're going to be running through Sports Bike Shop's best women's riding jeans.
Sorry, Tony, don't you think this is a job for a woman?
She's got a point.
Hi, I'm Katie and I work at Sports Bike Shop's Milton Keynes store, and today I'll be running you through our top 5 riding jeans for women. We've chosen the jeans in this video using both owner reviews and personal experience from female riders who work for Sports Bike Shop. Riding jeans combine abrasion resistance and impact armour with a more casual style. Jeans like these are the perfect alternative to poor fitting textiles, or if you want to avoid breaking in stiff leathers. Offering flattering fits and casual style allows us to not only look good on and off the bike, but stay protected, whether that's on the front of the bike or riding as pillion. As well as the info on each pair of jeans as we go through, there's more detail in the description below or by looking on the listings on SPORTSBIKESHOP.co.uk. Let's get into the jeans, shall we? Starting us off, the Oxford Ladies Original Approved Jeggings are some of the most popular jeans in the ladies category. They're made from a single layer of denim with the abrasion material woven into it. They're AA rated in CE, and both knee and hip armour is approved to the highest level. They're stretchy, and owner reviews tell us they are good for people who've been struggling to find something to fit. They have a high waist, which a lot of women will appreciate. It helps the jeans stay up, and the extra coverage is important for pillions as well as riders. The average customer rating after 20 reviews is 4.95. Owners' reviews suggest sizing is accurate, but it's worth mentioning that a few people say they come up short in the leg. Thankfully, there are 3 leg lengths available, so for ladies with longer legs, you don't have to expose your ankles to the wind. These are listed at $119.99 as we record this video. There's more info on things like colours and sizes in the description below. Next on our list are the Bullet Fury 5 Jeggings, which earn a place in our top 5 thanks to their popularity amongst owners. People who've reviewed them like their softness, stretch and the style both on and off the bike. After 30 reviews, these lightweight single layer jeans have a very respectable average rating of 4.9. They have a basic single A rating in CE, and an extra layer around the bum gives extra abrasion resistance in that area. Another positive is the CE level 2 knee armour. There is no hip armour, but there are pockets for you to add some. The jeans are high-waisted, and after looking at owners' reviews and trying them myself, I would be ready to go up a size. The fit can be tight, especially around the knees, thanks to the bulkier level 2 protectors. As we record this video, the Fury 5s are on sale for $89.99, making them an affordable option for those on a tight budget. The Richa Ladies Original 2 fill a gap left by the Richa Noras, which were our go-to when customers didn't want skin-tight jeans. The Original 2s are high-waisted and come in 2 leg lengths, and the armour can be moved up or down. The D30 Ghost armour at the hips and knees is rated level 1 in CE, but the low profile makes it comfortable and discreet. The jeans are made from a single layer of stretched denim, and the AA rating in CE gives decent protection. The average review rating has been brought down by one reviewer, giving 1 star because they didn't fit her well. But the reviewers who got the right fit say they were a pleasure to wear, on and off the bike, and find them quite flattering. When trying these, I found they came up true to size. Jeans are usually too short for me, and I found the regular leg to be generous and perfectly suited for me. The Richa Original 2s currently cost £199.99 at the time of recording this video. Bullet's Guardian have something that none of the other jeans here have, a AAA CE rating. They also have CE level 2 impact armour at the hips and knees. That combination is rare in women's jeans and makes them a great choice if you put protection at the very top of your list of priorities. It's worth noting the extra protection means the denim is tougher, therefore less forgiving, so that's something to bear in mind when balancing comfort with protection. After 7 reviews from owners, the Guardian jeans have an average rating of 4.9. Reviewers like the top level protection and the low profile armour. They do say the jeans come up a little small, which I believe is due to the lack of stretch within the denim. The mid-height waist helps the jeans stay up, but some may find it exposes their lower back unless they wear a belt. The Guardian jeans come in 3 leg lengths and a wide range of waist sizes. The list price is $199.99. The John Doe Ruby jeans create a flattering fit, offer stretch and lack the bulk of typical riding jeans, which is great in the hotter months. They're made from a single layer of denim, are high-waisted and have a decent AA rating in CE. There aren't many customer reviews on these jeans, but we considered them for this video based on the strength of feedback for John Doe's jeans for men. Having worn the rubies, I think more women should be taking a look at the John Doe jeans. These offer decent protection without being too stiff, have many size options available that we don't often see in the ladies' kit department. As well as size 8, 10, 12 and so on, they have 7, 9, 11, etc. So there's a better chance of them fitting you. There are 3 different leg lengths and their armour adjustment system is the most impressive and accommodating I have come across. The rubies are listed at £169. There's more info on colours, sizing, CE ratings in the description below, which is also the case for the other 4 pairs in this video. So, those are the jeans we've chosen for the top 5. Here are some that are also worth considering. The Knox Cartmel Kick Flare jeans are too new to be in the top 5, but they made an impressive start and offer something different. The black rust colour is unusual and so is the kick flare design. The list price is £189.99. The Alpine Star Stella Cali jeans are popular with owners and could have made our top 5. But I personally own a pair and I don't think the protection level is high enough for the £200 list price. Owners describe the Richa Cody leggings as flattering and comfortable. They're stretchy and lined with Aramid fibre top to bottom for protection to single A level. The list price is £179.99. The Bullet Coyote jeans offer lightweight and have a relaxed combat style fit with large cargo pockets. They score an impressive 4.8 rating amongst owners and the list price is £174.99. Well ladies, I hope this video will help you make a decision on which jeans may be best for you. Whether you're a rider yourself or a pillion, staying protected on the roads is important, but why sacrifice style and comfort when you can have both? We'd also love to hear what you think. If you've shopped with us before, or you're looking to make a purchase soon, don't forget to leave a review as every opinion helps your fellow riders. Please feel free to share your own thoughts and experiences, or maybe your own suggestions about riding kit by commenting below. See ya!